Hello, my name is Jenna from the Chippewa Falls Public Library, and I'm here to unbox some brand new YA materials for our YA section. Let's jump right into it because there are a lot of them this month. So many, I think I'm making a couple different videos. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. So, first thing, I see a couple of nonfiction titles. I've got 4 of them. They're all about very timely topics. We have a CIA, an analyst's guide to spotting fake news, true or false. Strongmand, the rise of 5 dictators and the fall of democracy. This one has been getting some really great online reviews. Out, how to be your authentic self. And lifting as we climb, Black women's battle for the ballot box. So like I said, 4 nonfiction titles about very timely materials. Oh, I see a graphic novel. Let's see, this one is called A Thief Among the Trees. So this series is called Ember in the Ashes. If you love action-packed graphic novels or you want to be swept up in a story, try this one. If you have not read the other series before, that's okay. You can get started by reading this graphic novel. Another bunch of graphic novels that we got. Nausicaa of the Valley of the Wind. So a whole bunch of manga. I think there are 7 brand new ones that just came in. And this is based off the Hayao Miyazaki movies. If you've watched those, definitely give these ones a try. Alright, let's see. Ooh, I want to talk about this one next. Oh my goodness. I read the audiobook of Frankly in Love, and I am personally really excited for this next one called Love Songs, Super Fake Love Songs by David Yoon. The audiobook was so great, I might need to listen to this one on audiobook too. If you enjoy John Green, Own Voices stories, or are passionate about rock and roll, give this one a try. Super Fake Love Songs by David Yoon. I love the cover too. Alright, on to a suspenseful story. This one is full of twists and turns and has some terrifying heartbreak in it. Oh my goodness. I love this cover. You can't really gauge how awesome it is off of the computer. You have to see it in person. It is absolutely fantastic. It's called Winter, White, and Wicked. I've been hearing a lot of buzz about this one, and with a cover like this, who can blame them? It is mysterious and heart-pounding. The action will give you all the feels, and it will take you on a journey with a twice-orphaned main character who's trapped in an eternal winter. Oh, this cover. I can't wait to read this one. It's imaginative and dangerous, and it has a bite, I am told. Let's do 2 more. Here's another nonfiction based on a true story. It's not just for cat lovers, even though the title is The Cat I Never Named. This true story takes place in the midst of war in the 1990s. Amra is a force to be reckoned with, and I hope that you can be inspired by her determination. Again, it's based on a true story. The Cat I Never Named. Alright, we'll do 1 more for this video. Okay, yes. This novel in verse has received accolades from teens, from reviewers, from award committees. It is called Clap When You Land. Again, really awesome cover. This one explores grief, loss, and the bonds between people and the forces that we make for ourselves and in the world. This one has quite a few holds on it, if I remember correctly. So if you want to read it, get your name on the list soon. I know I will be. I have even more in this box. I'm going to end this video. Stay tuned for another one. Thanks for joining me.